Hey there, what's up guys? Welcome to another brand new video from Ecom Reviews. Myself Shubhajit, and first of all thanks a lot guys for the love and support on the previous video. So let's make a 20 likes target on this video as well. So let's see what do we have inside the box. So a power cable, some screws, a user manual and the moisture absorber. And we have got the main power supply unit itself. So it looks really premium and it is feeling really heavy in my hand as well. And the outer layer is fully black colored and you get a Corsair logo, and beside that the VS450, and this is the main 120mm fan which is down mounted, and on the back side you get the switch, and beside that the power cable connector. And here are some informations about this PSU. So this PSU is capable of maximum 450 watts of power output. So let's see what kind of connectors do we get. So this is the main 24-pin ATX cable connector. Then you get 112 volt 4x4 EPS cable connector, and next to that is two PCI connectors which are 6+2 divided 8-pin connectors. And you get a total 7 SATA connectors on this PSU as well. And last but not the least, you get a total 2 peripheral connectors on this PSU and 1 floppy connector. And this is the main power cable which you will get with this PSU, and this is a US styled connector, so you will not be able to use it with Indian plugs, so you have to buy another plug for it if you want to use it. So keep that in mind. And this is the main switch of this PSU. So let's power it on and test it. So this will be a raw footage so that you guys will have an idea about the fan, which is very low noise controlled. So how was the video guys? Hit the like button and comment down below, and if you are new to this channel then a subscription will be very helpful for me. So sign out.